The only thing more expensive than gas right now is staying stuck where you are. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, you're constantly stressed about which bill to pay first. I get it. I've been there. And I want to walk you through the exact system that finally gave me breathing room, income, and freedom. By the end of this video, you're going to know what I did, how it works, and how you can do it too, even if you're starting from scratch. Let me paint the picture. Single mom, bills stacked, working late. I was choosing between the rent and groceries. And you want to know what's wild? I thought this was just normal life. But then something hit me. No one was actually going to come save me. My boss wasn't going to suddenly double my paycheck. The economy wasn't going to suddenly make groceries affordable again. That was my breaking point. That's when I realized if I wanted to change, I had to make it myself. So let me tell you what I did. I found digital marketing, and not the scammy kind either. Not post 100 TikToks a day and pray. A real digital system that anyone can learn. Here's how it works. You put out videos like the content that you're watching now. People who resonate with you will enter their email. They're guided through a funnel, which is basically just a fancy word for a simple path, where they learn to build trust and get shown the program that can help them learn. It's not tech heavy. It's not endless cold calling. It's simple and it's automated. And I run it in 2 hours a day. That's it. Most people don't change because it's easier to stay compliant than to start. They scroll and they vent about bills. They share memes about being broke. They don't take that one step that would actually change their life. And listen, I get it. Starting feels scary. You wonder, can I actually do this? Is it a scam? Do I even have the time? I'm proof that you can. I started with zero experience. I had absolutely no tech background and nothing but actual desperation to make a change. If I can do this, you can do this. People overcomplicate this. Here's what you need. You need a phone, you need Wi-Fi, you need 2 hours, and the willingness to learn. That's it. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need a huge following. You just need consistency and the right system. Here's what you're going to need to build online income. So let's imagine this. You keep doing what you're doing now. A year from now, you're still going to be choosing which bill not to pay. You're going to still be tired and still stuck. Or you take a chance on yourself. You learn a skill that works. You build a system that doesn't rely on a boss or the economy. And for the first time, you breathe. I can't promise you overnight riches. But what I can promise you is this. If you start, if you commit, your life can completely look different in 6 months. Mine did. If this hits home for you, do me a favor. Comment right it below. Let me know that you're really serious. And if you're ready to actually learn this system step by step, grab my free blueprint. It's linked below. Don't just scroll past. Don't stay stuck. This is your wake-up call.